In the middle of my 12th grade year, I almost had no idea what my goals were. At the time, I had already stepped away from my athletic career to focus on preparing for college. But I did not know what major to choose or which university to pursue. I began opening up others, sharing my concern, and seeking advice about my future. Eventually, I learned about a sport-oriented university that matched both my interest and my ability. I started researching its requirement and began training and studying to be accepted into the program. During my first exam, I failed to get in, but I kept studying and training until on my second exam, I finally success and was accepted into my dream university. Once I entered the university, I immediately switched my sport focus to powerlifting. Thank you.